Okay, for this problem, we're actually going to look at two-part dimensional analysis problems. These are problems where you need to change both the top unit and the bottom unit on a problem. So for example, let's say I was in 60 miles per hour, and that's my velocity. And I needed to change that for some reason into, let's say, kilometers per minute. Okay, I'm going to have to change both the top number, miles, into kilometers. I'm going to have to change the bottom number, hours, into minutes. So it doesn't actually matter which of these you do first. You can change the top or the bottom first. It won't actually change what answer you get, but I'm going to go ahead. I usually like to change the time first. So it starts just like a one-part dimensional analysis problem. Okay? Since my hours are on the bottom and I want them to cancel, I need to put hours on the top, and then what I'm changing it into, minutes in this case, on the bottom. So I know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Hours on the top cancel with hours on the bottom, and then I just multiply this like a fraction. 60 times 1 gives me 60 miles on the top, and 60 times 1 gives me 60 minutes on the bottom. Now, I know that we could go ahead and divide this and get 1, but in a lot of cases you can't actually do that. I mean, for example, if this was 56 miles and 60 minutes, then I would get a really long decimal at the end. I usually find it's easiest to just go ahead, leave it as a fraction until you're at the very end. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to move my fraction down here, 60 miles over 60 minutes, and I'm going to multiply it again, except in this case I want to change the miles to kilometers. So I put miles on the bottom, so they'll cancel. I put kilometers on the top, and I know that 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. Miles cancel. Then again, this is just like an algebra fraction problem. Top number times top number. So 60 times 1.61 gives you 96.6. The only unit I have left on the top is kilometers, so that goes there. 60 times 1 gives me 60. The only unit left on the bottom is minutes. And now I can divide. So I'm just going to take the top number, 96.6, divided by 60, and I get 1.61 kilometers per minute as my answer.